Who's got a beard that's long and white? Who comes
We've been
around?
lost in the woods for several days. Nothing but trees and snow. The sense of urgency to get out. And then suddenly, walking through the trees, we saw just this burst of color. Where were we? What were these creatures? What did they want from us? Who had brought them there? And where were they going? We could not tell what devil was responsible for what we were seeing, but it was there. And what happened there, I can't talk about. I don't know if I'll ever be the same.
Must be Santa, Santa Claus, who very soon will come our way.